What up, Aspire family? How you guys doing today? So today is gonna be my first time trying out the slot machine. I never gambled before, so I'm gonna give it a shot, you guys. I got like $5 on me. So let's get it, y'all. Let's see. Let's test out the luck. I don't know why this game is calling for me. Right here. This is my first slot machine, guys. Kind of nervous because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But let me put the money in here, and I'll get back to you guys. As you guys can see, I put 600 credit in right now. I'm not sure how to do this, what to press, because I'm new to this and I'm by myself. I should have brought some friends so they could help me out with this stuff. But you know what? It is what it is. Today I am inspired to gamble, all right? If you haven't been inspired to do something bigger or something to do to inspire yourself, okay? All right, guys. So I guess I'm going to press something right now. And let's hope for the best, I guess. Let's get it. Let's go, y'all. First time gambling, first time at the slot machine. One time for the one time. Let's go. Right. So spin the reel. I want something. I know it ain't $100. I think that's $1. Let's go. Wait, what did I press? Is it max bet? Bet down. What's this? So spin. It looked like I'm winning. It looked like I'm winning a lot, but I don't know what the hell I'm doing, y'all. Okay. Oh, I got 38 credit left, so what I gotta do? I gotta do this, I guess. Oh, that was it. That sucks. Well, I know this video sucks, guys, but this is like a most honest video ever because I never played a slot machine before. I don't know how to work. It said I got 38 credit in there. I don't think I should cash out. I should leave it there for somebody else. Well, I hope you guys like this video, man, because they took $6 from me, y'all. That's a whole combo meal. That's a McDonald's, Burger King, you know, with all type of meal. So I lost $6, y'all. I don't think gambling is for me, just to be honest with you guys. But I just did it for you guys. So I came to Vegas and I never gambled before, and I figured, you know what? Let me just give it a shot, you know, because today I am inspired to lose some money. If I want something, it would have been cool, but hey, first time for everything, right? If you guys like this video, guys, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. I love y'all. Peace.